Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to LaMeel TV, Wealth Empowerment, the Wealth Empowerment playlist, and my series on, credit to wealth. So I have been on an amazing vacation and my birthday just passed and I'm visiting a friend and all that great stuff. But I have been getting a lot of questions as we have launched and are expanding our credit restoration service about closing lines of credit, right? And if you're not familiar with the new services, you can still find them over on LaMeel.com. Click on Wealth Empowerment. It's going to take you to the amazing credit to wealth restoration service that we have that I am so proud of. And you can also check out, the remainder of our wealth empowerment courses very soon. Like after this weekend, they will be on a separate website that you'll get directed to. But the question that I've been getting a lot this week is about closing old accounts, right? So, should I close old accounts? These accounts have zeroed out. We're restoring people's credit and they have accounts that were in good standings that they weren't using and they closed them. Should I close them? Should I, what should I do? The cat just came out and the cat is afraid of people. So it scared me because I was feeling I was in here alone for a couple of hours. Anyway, the question is, if you have store cards, a lot of people are getting a jump start, adding trade lines to build their credit, and they are store cards that they're not using, that you pay annual fees on. Some of them even may pay a monthly membership fee on. And should you close them? The answer technically is no. If you can afford to keep all of your cards open, keep all of your cards open. Why? Because as you build your available lines of credit, your usage on what you do use goes down, right? And that's what you want. You want to keep your usage like, 20%, 5%, 10%, because you have, 60, 70, $100,000 in available line of credit. So if you can afford to keep those lines of credit open, keep those lines of credit open. That is my answer. If you can afford to keep them open, then keep them open. If you cannot afford to keep them open, then close the ones that have the highest annual fees, close the ones who have monthly fees first, and see what you can do. If you are struggling with that, then you need to look into our income empowerment options so that you can create some streams of income so that you can afford to keep these lines of credit open, build some business credit, things like that, so that paying on your cards, the annual fees, is not a job, in and of itself. You want to, by all means, keep all lines of credit open. If they are in good standing, you are paying them. If you have closed accounts, right, that were in good standings, call and see if you can get those reopened. If you have been in good standings for a year, 6 months or more with a company and there is an annual fee, call them and see if you can get a reduction in the annual fee or if you can get the annual fee dropped, because you might be able to do that. But yes, please keep all of your lines of credit open. You want that. You want to have lines of credit available to you. Now, realtors and everybody will tell you, realtors and those in the home buying process will tell you something different at different times depending on what your usage is, right? They want you to close stuff because your usage is high, but your available lines don't affect your usage if you're not using them. So that's for another video. But to answer the question, yes, keep all your lines of credit open. Until next time, I will see you. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up if you want to see weekly or even several times a week, just little credit tidbits to help you maneuver the credit restoration process. subscribe to the video, hit the bell so you'll get the notifications every time I put up upload a video. And I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.